Hello everybody, I'm Abhijit. Today we're going to be looking at how toothpaste acts as a protector against water and fog. For this we need toothpaste, which I have taken in a plate, matchbox and cup of water. Normally when we wet a matchstick in water, it becomes useless. We cannot light it anymore. And then you cover it with a layer of toothpaste. Then you wet it. Clean it up a bit. And then when you light it, it lights up. This happens because the chemicals in toothpaste form a protective waterproof layer around the head of the matchstick. This also happens when you clean the glass of the car on a foggy day.